Hi, I'm Alex Rosenkranz. I am an engineering manager on the customer education and training team over here at Datadog. This is our flagship conference every year. We get to bring all of our customers in. We get to talk about all the hard work that we've been doing as a company over the past year, all the new products and features that we are releasing. So we use Instruqt at pretty much every workshop that we deliver. We run some applications just directly on a host. We do some cloud-based learning for that, and we actually partner with some of our some cloud partners such as Google Cloud, and they help deliver these workshops with us. They love the interactive environments. They love the consistency that we can provide to them. It's a low barrier to entry. It's all browser based, so we don't have to tell people to come in with a laptop that allows us to install things on their machines, because that's not always possible for everybody. So being able to give people that ability to just open up a browser, open up the lab, and you have this full feature-rich environment. It helps us teach a lot better because we can actually go pretty deep into some of our topics, and we can do some pretty complex things, and we can control it a bit more. And for our customers, being able to get their hands dirty with these environments and really poke around in a safe space with these ephemeral lab environments really lets them feel more at ease, and they can feel a little bit more comfortable in coming up with their own questions and having some of their problems solved. The really cool thing about Dash is that we have a large number of personas that come into our workshops and attend Dash in general. It could be a longtime customer that's been using us for close to a decade. It could be somebody who is more interested in Datadog and wants to hear what we're all about and learn a little bit more about us. It could be somebody that has adopted a couple of products and are interested in adopting other products and seeing how they can actually expand their own usage. We get to kind of figure out what their needs are, and that kind of helps set our priorities for the next year. We can kind of see what are we doing well, what can we be doing more of, where can we meet our customers for their future needs, and it's actually very enlightening for us, and it helps, as Datadog as an org, I think it helps kind of set our North Star a bit, but it definitely for our customer education and training team, it kind of helps us determine where can we fill in these gaps, and what do our customers really want to know more about.